Good morning. Kenyan's comedian and media personality Oga Obinna did something that melted hearts across the social medias when they paid special visit to pregnant Queen Ndemwa Facebook and his time, not for joke, not content, but to cook for her. In the world with many men disappear when the responsibilities knock on the door and step up to the beautiful way. He walks into her home with food in hand, ready to make sure he glowing mama to be was to feed the comfortable. Okay, as Ndemwa Facebook rested with a growing baby bump, Obinna tried his apron, turned the kitchen to love zone. Wow, they are eating.
But
sasa hii nimekubali
bado what you do, wacha tuoshe hizi sukuma na hii maji na nini hivyo, then tuifunge. Kwani uko mkati wangu sukuma?
No, I don't like.
Unapenda kujikatia?
Yes, ndio wengine wanaosha na maji chafu.
Wewe mikono hapa. Tuko na pilipili?
No.
Sasa tumane pilipili kidogo. Ama upenda hii pilipili?
Naendea.
Uko na alsas?
Hapana.
Haya.
Ndio pia sasa tunaanga stress kwa hiyo bali.
Wewe?
No stress, no ulcers.
Haya. So we need to send someone for nini? Ona kapa mimi napika.
Yes.
We need to send someone atuletee pilipili kiasi.
Vicky. Andrew, Vicky hapa. Ameenda kuchukua nini?
Andrew.
Hey, pole, nisikuue huko Kayole. Andrew.
Yes. Andrew, sasa
Kuja.
kupata tu plumber kutengeneza kitu tu umeshindwa, si ndio?
Tumeingia leo.
Na before uingie,
unaona hiyo blata ni mimi nimeimprovise. Acha nikuje nikufungie.
Wanatengeneza kesho wanasema ati hadi wewe leo azifanyi.
Sasa hapa acha nifunze bwana wa nyumba
kuishi kwa nyumba yake.
Kuishi kwa nyumba yake. Unashika hivi.
Mmekuja na Range Rover?
Hakuna hata parking.
Parking iko hapa chini.
Hii parking ina giza, hiyo gate hata haiwezi ingia. Oh, ndio leka hiyo ni assault.
Si umekuja ukaitoa. Ni improvising akili mtu wangu. Kayole lazima
uimeona. Umeweka baby kwa shida gani?
Bana. Kesho plumber akam.
Plumber kesho asubuhi morning. Poleni.
Haya.
Poleni.
Pilipili zikuje.
Obiro.
Obiro. Ona jika zangu ongea kijaluo broken. You're spoiling the...
Others call it husband material vibe, while some say this is how really love should look during pregnancy. The chemistry between the two was good. Laughter in the kitchen and soft smile, playful tasting and genuine happiness. It wasn't just about food, it was about assurance and partnership showing up during one of the most delicate and emotional seasons over the woman life. For many fans, the moment wasn't just a content, it was a statement that pregnancy is not just a woman journey alone, and the Ndemwa Facebook continues to grow in the beautiful chapter. Oga Obinna is right there beside her, spoon on the hand and heart open widely. And Kenyans, they are loving every minute of it. Okay, drop your comment in the comment section and tell us what do you know about it and what do you love about seeing the chemistry together. Okay.
So you need to send someone for nini. Uona katakata mimi napika.
Yes.
You need to send someone atuletee kitu kiasi.
Vicky. Andrew, Vicky hapa.
Uona jikataka kuongea kijaluo broken. You're spoiling the language, boy.
For many fans, the moment wasn't just like that, but most of them, they felt there is more protection, care, and also enjoyable as they share kitchen duties together. Drop your comment section and remember our guy is so hardworking girl in every moment, in every situation. Okay, drop the comment, drop nice comment in the comment section, and remember to take care of yourself. And the last change is
Hii ni hasa tumezoea.
54 40 54.
Ndio